Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm about to show you how to fix a common error with ESXi when you're starting it up. So if you start it up and you get an error, basically saying that it's not compatible, as if it's relocating the modules and starting the kernel and it's stuck there, this is how you will fix it. Alright, so let's go ahead and do a test real quick. I have a box that I've been playing with. I'm gonna go ahead and start it, and this is what you're gonna get. So you'll get the installer, right? You'll hit enter. The installer will run like this, and it's gonna go through as if it's trying to install, but then ESXi is just gonna get stuck. Okay, and you will see this right here where it says shutting down firmware services, relocating modules, and starting up the kernel. Now this right here, basically, the way you fix this, let me slide this over real quick. All right, so the way you want to fix this is that before you let this run, there's a few, it's a little shortcut command that you want to run. All right, so we're going to go ahead and shut this down, and then we're going to restart this. And when this starts here, so you can wait for the command to go down, but what you're going to hit is Shift and O right after it starts. So right there, you're going to hit Shift and O. At the bottom right here where you see CD-ROM boot, you're going to go ahead and delete that right there. And I had to figure this out the hard way. But what we're going to do is type in what's called ignore. So it's ignore and then head less, so LESS, and then equal sign true. So basically you're ignoring the head that's it's looking for something in the head, I guess, whatever. But then you hit enter, and then it will go ahead and skip through the process before you'll see it again where it was getting stuck right here, and then it disappears, and then it starts to load ESXi, and there you go. It fixes that issue. Don't know what it is, why, something in the head, but this has been giving folks a lot of issues, so hopefully this helped you out, and you can continue to install ESXi. Alright, so hopefully this video was helpful. I really appreciate you for taking the time to watch, and catch you later.